AI is changing our world, no doubt about it, but it comes with a pretty big catch, a massive energy bill. So today, we're diving into a really fascinating alliance between three industry heavyweights. They're teaming up to write a totally new, sustainable blueprint for the future of AI data centers.
And that really brings us to the core question, doesn't it? The potential of AI is just staggering, but so are its demands for power and resources. The amount of energy we need to fuel this revolution is creating a huge sustainability challenge. And it's one we absolutely have to solve if this tech is going to grow responsibly.
Well, to tackle this problem head-on, a new Memorandum of Understanding was just signed. And this isn't just another press release. This is the formation of a pretty powerful team with a super clear mission: to build the AI infrastructure of tomorrow and to do it the right way.
Now, this isn't just one company trying to do it all. It's a strategic alliance, and it's built on three very distinct pillars. Each partner brings a crucial piece of the puzzle to the table, and they're hoping to create a truly end-to-end solution.
So, who are the players on this dream team? First, you've got EdgeMode. They're the ones actually building and operating the physical data centers. Then there's Supermicro, providing the high-performance computing engines, the muscle. And finally, you have Krambu, the innovator, who's integrating all this cutting-edge sustainable design. Let's break down what each of them is bringing. All right, first up is EdgeMode. Think of them as the master architects here. They're the ones creating the massive physical footprint for this whole operation, literally building the foundation for what's to come.
And when we say massive, we really mean it. EdgeMode is planning a 5-site AI data center portfolio with a total power capacity of 1.5 gigawatts. To put that into perspective, that's enough juice to power well over 1 million homes. A number like that tells you this is a serious, large-scale commitment to AI infrastructure.
And as EdgeMode's CEO, Charlie Felkner, points out, this isn't just about building big. It's about building smart. It's about combining that incredible scale with energy efficiency. And that's the perfect lead-in to the next key partner in this whole thing. So if EdgeMode is building the body, our next partner, Supermicro, is providing the powerful, high-performance heart. They're the ones supplying the specialized hardware, the actual engines that are going to make these AI factories run. Now, what's really crucial here is that Supermicro isn't just a hardware vendor dropping off boxes and leaving. No way. They're providing a complete managed solution. Their role covers the whole shebang, from system design to software support, which means the entire facility is optimized from the ground up to run AI workloads as efficiently as humanly possible. And finally, we get to Krambu, the innovator in this trio. And honestly, this is where the blueprint for the future gets really, really interesting. Krambu brings this deep expertise in sustainable engineering that's aiming to completely flip the traditional data center model on its head. At the core of Krambu's philosophy is this concept called industrial symbiosis. It's a brilliantly simple idea when you think about it. Instead of just pumping all that immense waste heat from the servers out into the atmosphere, why not capture it? Turn it into a valuable resource for other industries like, say, heating greenhouses for local agriculture or even nearby buildings. You're creating a closed-loop system. It's just smart. Krambu makes this happen with some very specific tech. We're talking direct-to-chip liquid cooling, which is way more efficient than just blowing air around, and it lets them capture that heat. By mixing that with renewable energy sources, they dramatically lower the facility's power usage effectiveness, or PUE. That's the key industry metric for efficiency, and the lower that number, the better. And this quote from Krambu's CEO, Stephen Wood, really just captures the entire mission, doesn't it? It's about making data centers a beneficial part of their local communities, not just a massive drain on the power grid. It's about wringing value out of every single watt of energy they use.
So, what happens when you combine EdgeMode's massive scale, Supermicro's perfectly integrated hardware, and Krambu's sustainable engineering? Well, you get something fundamentally new. You get a blueprint for a truly future-ready data center.
This really illustrates that core shift, right? The old model was basically just selling space and power. But this new model, it's about providing an end-to-end AI platform where sustainability isn't some box you have to check for compliance. It's actually a cost-saving advantage. This whole integrated approach lets them build faster and a heck of a lot smarter. At the end of the day, that is the real power of this partnership. It brings hardware, brilliant sustainable design, and operations all under one roof. And for companies that need AI compute, that means less risk, much faster deployment, and a system that's built to scale as AI itself just keeps evolving.
So this leaves us with a final, really crucial thought. As the demand for AI compute continues to absolutely explode, is this model of synergistic collaboration, combining scale, power, and circular sustainability, is this the new blueprint for responsible AI infrastructure? It really makes you think.